Hello, you guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. Today, we're going to be decorating a tree. This is the first day of Vlogmas days. And this year, I went with something a little different, you guys. I decided to decor my home using blueberries. Yes, blueberries. Now, you will find them at Hobby Lobby if you're looking for them, but you won't find them frosted at Hobby Lobby. So, all of the frosting you see kind of posing as snow on these are me doing it DIY. So sit back and relax and we'll get into the video.
Hello, and welcome back to the channel, you guys. Welcome back to the Wrapped in Scraps channel. I know it's been a while. It's been quite some time. There's a lot that went on in the last 2 months, okay? I had a piece of glass in my foot for over a month that I had to get dug out. I will insert some pictures of that if you choose to care to see. We'll go over that story. Also went on a cruise, a family cruise. There's already a video out on that. For Black Friday, I bought a whole bunch of candles. We'll talk about that. There's gonna be a lot of things to talk about in this video, but right now we are talking about this tree right here. We are getting ready to decorate this tree. As you can see with my decor, I pulled everything out of my, what do you call that? My garage. So it's all laid out here looking crazy for the moment. But the tree is gonna go in between the two pictures, as you can see there. All right, so that's where it's gonna nestle in at. But this year, I wanted to do something different. And so I decided to make my theme blueberries. Yeah, so I picked up some blueberries from Hobby Lobby. They were on sale for like $102 or something like that. And I frosted them. I frosted them like this. And that's what we're going to be placing on the tree. All right. I've been working on them over here. So I've got a nice stack of them over here. They're going to be going on the tree. I've got all my ribbon. So I picked up this Santa. He's cute. I've got some more. I'll be doing a fireplace mantle thing. I've got my wreath over here along with more ribbons, more ornaments. So I went to Hobby Lobby, Joann's, and Tuesday morning, Home Goods, to get all of the supplies. Garland picks and stuff over here for this event. For this event, okay? And of course, I had to get myself some coffee. So I'm a little late getting into this tree business. I should have did this a while ago, but I had a lot of things going on. But I'm at home. I'm kind of under the weather. Not kind of, I'm under the weather. I don't have COVID, but I've got something and I know I don't have COVID because I've tested myself, but I've been sick for like a week and I've been trying to stay away from people. I need to go see the nail tech. So if you see my 2 broken nails, don't talk crap. I don't want to get the nail tech sick. Okay, so we'll have to see her after I get better. But for the time being, we're gonna decor this tree. I'm gonna do my best. My energy level has, excuse me, has just not been there. And so I've been doing the best I can under the circumstances, try and get this tree in the way. Probably won't finish before I have to get the kids. It's an early day, so they get out at 1 o'clock. So it's 11 o'clock, so I got a good hour on it. But let me show you some of the lights I got. And yes, I look crazy today. Yeah, my hair looks crazy. It's in a bun. I just look crazy. Just listen. It happened. All right, so here are the 2 lights I got. As you can see, one is brighter than the other. These are a lot dimmer than these, and I did that purposely, and the reason being is because I like to put the dimmer lights more so in the tree, like throughout inside the tree, and then the outer lights I like to have going along the outside.
All right, family, so I'm not going to bore you with me putting this whole tree together because it took me way too long. If you look back at my other videos in the last 2 years, you'll see the trees I put together and I show the whole thing and in its entirety. But with this one, you guys, I just wasn't feeling well. So I'm just showing you a quick thing of me throwing some ribbon on there, and then I'm going to reveal it to you. All right, you guys, for all of you who were wondering, what I was going to do for my tree this year. As I've stated previously, I'm doing the blueberries. It's blueberry time for me, okay, when it comes to the color scheme. So I did frost the blueberries with glitter and beads, right? The leaf, the Holy Bible's on there. You got a little mischief out there, but the message, I guess, is pretty clear when you see the Holy Bible on there, right? So this is my tree. I did use my old wedding dress as my skirt at the bottom because I thought that was a good way to use my train of my dress. Okay. And I did it because I wanted to match my pictures that I have on either side of the tree. Over here we've got a little cute Santa. And then coming to this side, got just the Bible in there. I gotta put some more stuff. And we got our tree. Okay. So that's what's going on here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so that is my tree this year. I am going to add some more bulbs. I'm not sure how many, but I will add a few more. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, evening, night, whatever time it is. Please remember to stay wrapped in scraps, meaning repurpose, recycle, and reuse all parts of your life. Remember to stay loving you, stay loving God, stay loving life, and please subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye guys.